Morning, happy Thursday. How you guys doing today? Well, let's see. I have like three or four stocks that I'm watching. You guys have my levels and what I'm looking to play. Microsoft, Meta, Apple, and Netflix. Those are the ones that I like for today. And obviously, Spy in the Queue, all levels, everything post on my Discord. Um, let's see. We're gonna break all-time high on Spy. The Q is still a little bit far from it, but Spy. Um, do we make? Yeah, it's right there. Like pre-market made a new all-time high. Microsoft is flying, so I'm pretty happy with my Microsoft play. Still holding runners there. Holding runners there. So not um pretty happy with Microsoft, with Meta, with Apple, everything. Everything's looking beautiful. Thanks to Meta and Apple, the small account challenge is back above at least at 1K. Mm, it's back at 1K. Hopefully Apple fills the gap so we can be green in profits. Mm, damn, Netflix, what the heck? Netflix just flew to my resistance. Let's see if it can pull back to 488. Maybe. Don't think so, but we'll see. Yep, nope. I think it's too late for us to get in Netflix. Maybe I pull back to 496, 494, like this, and play the upside. Morning, morning, morning. Like always, let's be patient here and wait for a good setup. For me, I'm gonna need a pullback on a lot of things. Morning, 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 morning. Meta, if can hold 370, might be a good opportunity to enter there. Snow. Ooh, yeah, I remember Snow had, I forgot about Snow, but I remember it had a very good setup. Yeah, Snow 198, 199. If can hold there, I think that's a good setup also. Maybe wait for a little pullback or some consolidation here. I'm not gonna watch Apple because I'm already in Apple. Look, Microsoft, so beautiful. That's a killer trade. So basically, I'm fine holding my runners. I don't need any new trade here. Okay, so Meta lost 370. The next support is around 365. Everything is flying. But yes, no 199, 198 pullback is a good entry. I don't think it's gonna give it to you. Maybe a pullback to VWAP. I wanted to trade Netflix, but I think that thing is gone. Yeah. Hmm. And the Q spy also flying. Everything is flying. Like I cannot enter anything here. I need some pullback, some consolidation, something. Something. Yeah. Shop. Yeah. 80. So you need to get in 80. 80 was the level to enter in Shopify. Or maybe if can give you a pullback here. Why this is not working? Like, everything is looking pretty much the same. Everything is above any support and resistance. And we need pullbacks. Unless you're swinging. If you're on swings, you're more than fine. But if not, patience. Like if you're not on Apple, you can wait for this. You guys have just go to my Discord and watch the levels that I post for pullbacks. and just be patient and wait there. Wait for those pullbacks. And that's it. $185.50 on Apple. It's my level 184 for a pullback. Meta, I have a few. 365, 364, and 360. Netflix, I wanted to enter around 488. Don't think it's gonna give me 488 today, so I'm just gonna wait for this level here around 494, 496. The Q is rejecting pre-market high, and same with SPY. No, it's three. Like obviously it's three. Meta is not even near 400. It's obviously 372. Wait, I'll be back in like 1 minute. Okay. Anything new? Tesla. Why you want to trade Tesla when there's so many good setups? Tesla has been a mess lately. Tesla. If the market is weak, Tesla is a good one to play the downside because it's under 230. So 230, Tesla is a good put play here. If you see SPY in the queue, losing it here. Yeah, Tesla is a good play for down. See, IWM. Mm. Ooh, I'm gonna play IWM to the downside here. Wait, yeah. My stop loss is gonna be above VWAP. IWM, it's been kind of weak lately, and SPY is rejecting this all-time high. Might be doing a bear flag. So let's see. My stop loss is gonna be here. So I enter in here. My stop loss is around here. My BT, the first one is this one here, and then 193. Let's see. If if stop me out here and I see the Q holding the support here, I'm gonna change direction and with the Q. Mm. Ooh, that's an ugly candle on Microsoft. Coin. Mm, I don't know. Coin, I honestly don't know. It's in the middle of a range closer to resistance. And coin, I guess, is moving based on news because of the ETF. But yeah, I don't really like coin. Coin, it has this resistance here. So I will only trade coin unless it breaks this resistance and use it as support, or goes back down here and use it as support, this. Or a rejection. Like a rejection here could be a good play also, but coin wouldn't be my first one. I like it more Tesla to the downside because Tesla was already under 230. But I don't know. Tesla, it's not been moving too good lately. So, damn. IWM, just dead. Okay, I'm gonna start selling here, locking profits. One, two, only holding one. Yeah, that was a perfect entry. Perfect. Let's see if SPY is gonna go to 475.50 or 475 and holds there. That's a good entry to play the upside on SPY. And I don't like any calls unless I see a SPY and the Q holding support. But so far, both are looking pretty weak. So if you want to play call, like, okay, guys, doesn't matter if you're looking for, like, let's just say Netflix, right? It doesn't matter if Netflix is at support if the market is going against you. Like, you need to wait and wait for confirmation. You like for me, I want to see the market acting on the same direction that the stock I'm looking to play. So if I want to play Netflix to the upside, I want to see a SPY in the queue at least holding support. So far, SPY and the queue are both looking very weak. Mm, okay, so with these trade, I already passing the 5 evaluation accounts that I have on this group, and obviously I'm making 1K on the other 5 PAs that I have on this group. So, okay. BT1 hit here. The next one is 193, around 193. Well, technically it's 10K, but it's 5K only because I have 5 valuation account and 5 PA. So I only will count the PA, the 5K on the PA, because the money that I'm gonna get paid. But yeah. Oh yeah, remember to like the video. Like. Anybody got that IWN reaction with me? It's no at 199. Okay, so now you have a lot of stocks going at support, right? And we want to see them holding. So I want to see the Q holding here 40, 408.50, 409, which is around yesterday high. That will be a good entry also if can hold there. Meta, I want to see it holding 330. Snow, I want to see it holding 198, 199. Microsoft, it's the same level that I post on my Discord. But yesterday high, it's good. That's a previous all-time high. If can hold there, it's extremely bullish. Apple, what's your next support on Apple? The same support that I talked about non-stop yesterday on Apple, 184. You either want to see Apple going back to 184 and holding there, or going back up to 185.60, this high here, and then hold there. Mm. Netflix has made a huge gap. If can fill this gap, it will be like perfect for entry, for a new, yeah, for an entry. I'll put here 488. Yeah. So watch Netflix, you can hold this support here, or if not, like for me, the perfect entry, it will be yesterday high. But still the Q and SPY is trying to hold there, but the Q it's a little bit weaker than SPY, but not so much. So if you are on any puts, I will be locking profit here because like I said, the Q, look, the Q right now is holding this support here, which was yesterday high. So technically, always when you have previous day high acting as support, that's bullish. Let me take this out, this out. And based on pre-market low, could either hold this low here or what it is right now. And if change direction here and use 409.50 for 410 as support, that's extremely bullish. Mm. I that Netflix is tempting me here. I just don't like entering calls with a gap below. That's a big gap. It's a gap from let's see, 187 till 192, which is like $7. No, $5. Damn, IWN is extremely, extremely weak. Holy moly. 193 is my target here. That was, I'm very, very happy with that trade. That was perfect. If loses 192, oof. If loses 192, I will say it's gonna go to 188 or 189, but it's gonna need some time. But yeah, you guys, first PT hit, second PT, it's pretty much already hit also. If you're on this trade with me, take profits and you're done for the day. But but if the QN spike can keep being so weak, IWN is just gonna die because it's extremely weak. That last runner, I love. This is what I always do, leave runners. Like that last runner is making like half of the money or over half of the money that I already lock. Thank you, thank you. Mm, How was CPI? We had CPI today, right? Pre-market. Was it bad? Or maybe it's just a rejection of all-time high on SPY? Oh, higher than expected? Okay. Whoa. Well, if the Q cannot hold pre-market low, the next one, yeah, losing pre-market low, the next one it will be 406.70, but mainly 406. Okay, Netflix is going lower. Let's see if it's gonna fill that gap. Thank you. Yeah, that was surprisingly very good. Okay, so let's go over why I went with IWM, even though I didn't even have it on my watch list or I wasn't even watching the chart. So the thing is, like, because I've been trading IWM this entire week and, well, the past like few days, like Monday, Tuesday, I think on Thursday and Friday last week, I also trade IWM. So because I've been trading so much IWM, I already knew the chart. Like I had the chart on my mind already. And I knew IWM had a lot of trouble going higher. Like all the market went nuts to the upside, while IWN kept stock under 195, 196. So, knowing that, I already knew that, like, I had it on my mind that if the market is gonna be weak, so what stocks do I want to play to the downside? The weakest one. Which one has been very weak lately, and I already knew my levels. Like I already knew had all the levels on my mind because I've been trading over and over again. IWM. So that's why when I saw SPY and the Q rejecting pre-market high and both were looking weak, I was like, okay, IWM, because that was the one that it's been weaker the past few days. So just went to IWM chart and I saw that IWM was making a possible bear flag. I already had those levels on my chart because, like I said, I've been trading IWM for so long, like for like 7 days or something like that. So, and it was rejecting my level. It was under VWAP, under 90 MA, giving you like a clear rejection here. So the risk to reward was just too good to not take it. Like you guys saw when I put this, that the first PT was a over 2.50 R, and then the main one was 193, which was 4.2 R, which means like if I'm putting $1 in, most likely I'm gonna get 4.2 as a reward. So, and I trade everything and anything that I see a good setup with two and over. Under two, I don't take that setup. So yeah. So the risk to reward was too good. Like extremely good. And the chart was just too clean, too easy. Too easy to read. When you have like easy levels to read, like I don't even think about it. I just go in, and then if I have good levels that are can clearly see those levels are good and playing out, I have the trend on my side. So basically I had the trend because SPY and the Q both were weak, and then I had an amazing entry. Like if you see your entry and you know your stop loss is just right there, like a little bit above, you're you're good. Like I don't even think much, I just get in. Okay, so Netflix. Let's see. Netflix about to fill the gap. I don't know if I want to take any other trade. I feel like I'm done with my day, more than done. Yeah. I wanna see Apple holding 184. Like I wanna see today's candle closing. Ooh, wait. It's under IW and it's under 182? Oh, that's a good swing to 188 with a lot of time. 190? I can see 190 being a little bit of support here. Yeah, 190 a little bit of support, but my main target is one around 188, 187. This is the target. This is the level that I think IWM might could go there. So, mm, but maybe that's a trade for tomorrow because first of all, I want to see if I'm swinging, if I'm looking to swing a put, I want to see SPY and the Q really being bearish on bigger time frames. Okay, 406. 406, 406 is a key level for Q to hold. Okay, 474 for SPY and 486, 487, 485 for Netflix. If I see consolidation here on Netflix, that's the trade that I might look to play. Check this out. So Netflix filled the gap. That's what I like. That's what I wanted to see here. I don't know. I don't know. I might just leave it because I have Apple for next week. It depends how I see SPY in the queue. Like I think I'm gonna wait for a daily close. Yeah, for the how the daily candle is gonna close. Ooh, nice, Rob. Nice. Okay, now for this, basically you wanna see something like that. I don't know if I want to hold my last runner for this upside and then rejection. Let's see how are Netflix contracts and getting ready for that. The 500 are like 395. The 500 calls for next week. Now for 30 and for weeklies is 148. Hmm. Let's see how much money I have on this small account. Okay, so I did something. I took I took Netflix on the small account. You guys have it posted on my Discord. Mm, 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 mm. I'm gonna get all out here. Beautiful trade. Mm. So what I got was Netflix 500 for this week and 505 for next week. Because I see the Q holding my level, which is 406. SPY is holding 474. Hopefully, it can keep going higher and not reject there. And Netflix did what I wanted to do: go back down, fill the gap, and then hold that support. Mm. Okay, so I don't care anymore about IWM. I'm not gonna trade more futures. Futures more than done. So let's put Netflix here. And what else? Mm. So, how's your day, guys? Mm, what's Microsoft doing? Ooh, I like Microsoft. Microsoft looks amazing. Okay, okay. I I don't know if I want to add more to my Microsoft runners, but yeah, I don't think I'm gonna add more. But look these 30-minute candles on Microsoft. If closes like that, it Microsoft literally telling you that it doesn't want to go lower. When you have long wicks here, doesn't want to go lower. You have a long wick at the top, doesn't want to go higher. But for me, this previous all-time high retest, it's a very, very good risk to reward entry here. So for a swing, um again, I'm not gonna take it, but I can see the potential here. So basically, you can have enter here. Your stop loss, it will be this low. Your PT, the first one, it will be this high, and I will definitely take it for next week, not weeklies, because if it goes against you, you're gonna lose a lot there. So that way you can contribute, like that way it will be easy for you to hold if it goes lower and just stays around here. But yeah, Microsoft looks amazing. But yeah, I'm not gonna take more there. Um, mm, mm, mm. I'll take these out. Take these out. Okay. Okay. I'm doing awesome. Today is my best trading day for 2024. 2024. If SPY can hold 475, ooh, that's a very, very, very good level for SPY to go higher. Mm, Meta looks okay. I will enter Meta if it either goes down to 465, 464, or if it can go back up to 370. I like more SPY or Microsoft. I think Microsoft looks way better than Meta. Yeah, definitely looks way better than Meta. But it doesn't look bad. It's just I prefer Microsoft charts. It's way easier and it's holding better. Like looks more bullish. Mhm. And that for me over 370 will be confirmation to the upside. Okay, so anybody got that IWN trade with me? That I know that was a little bit fast and wasn't planned. I'm thinking of getting a 150K Apex account. All my accounts are 25K, 50K, and 100. But I'm thinking on getting the 150 so I can play minis stress free. Like, I had the 100 static and 25, but this one, wait. I see a lot of people like trading with the 150, so because it's very stress free if you wanna trade minis. But I don't know, maybe I'll do it like I was thinking on doing it on for Fridays. Like you guys know that I don't really trade Fridays, so I wouldn't be trading options on Friday and only trading this account on Friday and see if I can pass that account and then I can use it only for Fridays. Um, because I can control all those accounts because with TradeOvate, you trade what by groups. So when I make one trade, it goes at the same time to all 10 accounts or all the accounts that I have on that group. So it's very easy. You do the same thing that you do with one account. But if I get this one, the 150K, I'll be trading only that one, not on a group. So what do you guys think? Maybe do it for Fridays, only trading with this one on Fridays, because Fridays are more like a little bit more let's see, I will say risky. Fridays are more risky. Thank you, Gina. With Apex, it's just Fridays are kind of like choppy and weird. Most of the time, I'm just boring, like very boring. That's why I don't trade Fridays. And with options, it's too risky. So with options, because I never buy zero DTE if I'm trading on Friday, and either gonna have to pay more for next week's contract or paying less but more, put more risk. And that's why I don't like trading Fridays. Okay. Okay, so okay, let's go over uh Apex. Like a lot of people complain about Apex rules, but every single prop firm has different rules. And obviously you need to figure it out which one you think is better for you. But if we go to okay, this section here, first of all, I always use the Ninja Tradeovate account because I use Tradeovate to trade futures. And then any question, you go here and you pretty much research, like you write down anything that you want to look or you don't understand about Apex. And but let's go over the rules, right? So most of my accounts are 25K and 50K. So to pass a either either of these account, you on the 25 you need 1500 in profits, and you need to trade for 7 days. That's it. Doesn't have to be like 7 straight days. You can trade today and then you trade on 2 days and then next week, up to you when you want to trade, but you need 7 days with these profits. For the 50K, again, you need 7 days, 7 day trading days, and then make 3K in profits. The stop loss or trailing stops. These on the 50K is 2500, on the 25K 1500. But The thing is like those trailing stops move higher with your trades. So if your trades, like if you're holding a contract and that contract goes higher and then goes lower and you sell lower, your trading stop is going higher. So that's the thing with trading stop that a lot of people don't like about Apex, but I do like it because that way it keeps me on my toes. So I've never like really blow up a account on one day because of the trading stop, because I don't trade minis, because I trade with small positions. That's why I always use, most of the time I use micros, which is I have no, like literally no risk on blowing up my account in one day or two or three. You're only blowing accounts if you're trading, if you're like pretty much YOLOing, which is what I see most of people do when they buy evaluation accounts, because they don't feel like they're losing money when that evaluation account goes down. But at the end, technically you're losing money. Also, if you are like YOLOing, not managing your risk correctly, you're like pretty much getting bad habits, you're making new bad habits, and then let's just say you pass that account, right? Then you're gonna pass also your bad habits to your PA, which is the PA is the real account, the one that if you make money, you get paid. So that's why I always say it's so important to just being consistent on your trade. Don't try to pass any account in one day. Go with macros, just go slow and steady. Go slow and steady. If you have 10 accounts, you make $100. $100 is very, very easy to make with futures, like extremely easy to make with futures. You make $100 with 10 accounts, that's 1K in one day. And just imagine how much you can make making only $100 per day with 10 accounts. Like always look, trading, it's all about making money, not trading, and looking on the long term. So do you want to make a lot of money just one day, or you want to be able to create good habits that provides you good setups for pretty much every single day? So go slow and steady. Don't go with huge positions, even on your evaluation account. Don't try to pass any evaluation account, not even in 5 days. You have 1 month before you have to pay the monthly fee. You can have that evaluation account for over like how long you want. Like you just keep paying monthly fees. But if you only look to trade very, very good setups with micros, easily you're gonna pass that account in less than 1 month. Your 10 evaluation account, that's fine, especially if you're new with futures. Like I blow up accounts at the beginning because I only been trading futures for 5 months maybe. I think I started like at the end of September or in the middle of September. So it's only normal that you're gonna blow up accounts when you start. It's like that's trading. That's trading. It's like when you start trading options or I don't know, stocks or penny stock. At the beginning, you're always gonna lose money. That's trading. It's like when you start to play any sport. You're not gonna be good at the beginning, but then with practice, Will be good. Oh, nice, nice. Do you have any PA or only you're through evals still? Mhm. Apple is looking pretty good, holding 184. I don't like how Netflix on the 30-minute time frame is looking, but we'll see. I think it was a mistake getting the weekly contracts. Yeah, exactly. Oh, yeah, it's very relaxing. Yeah, I love trading on my treadmill. Definitely relaxing. Also, I do over 10K steps. I don't, and I save like pretty much in 30 minutes, 1 hour of cardio. So I end the stream and then I go and break my fasting, and then I go to the gym, do some lift. Yeah, some lifting, and then I'm done. Mm, thank you, Ilian. Mm, how to find support and resistance? Go to bigger time frames and see the closest touching points that you see multiple times. So if you see a point that is been like a level that it's been touched multiple times on a bigger time frame, on a big time frame like daily, weekly, 4 hour maybe, and then that's your levels. Mm, 12% on Nvidia puts. You're risky. I will not trade puts on Nvidia. Nvidia's being so strong. That's risky. It's almost 11. I'm super hungry. The market is like stuck here. Mm, mm, mm. I'm not gonna trade anything else. Nvidia has ER next week? What? Mm, 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 mm. Ooh, this IWN. If you guys see SPY rejecting here, IWN, easy play here. Rejection kind of already started, but I still like it. I'm not gonna take it because I'm not taking any more trades here today, but yeah. Oh, when like earning season, right? Guess this is the support here. You can say all these. Let's take these out. Yeah. Yeah, earning season is gonna be interesting. SPY needs to hold here. The Q406. Microsoft is low here. Let's see, Apple. Is it Apple holding 184? Yeah. Yeah, but it could also be doing a bear flag. We'll see. Depends how it's gonna reject VWAP, maybe. Yeah, an IWM setup looking pretty good. Next hour is lunchtime. Don't trade on lunchtime. It's not worth it. Anybody took this IWM rejection? That was so clean. When I got out of my IWM play, I said it. Go see. Next thing is waiting for a retest of this area and then rejection. And I like this play for options because for swinging till 190 and then 188. But I think I'm pretty much done today. Yeah, Apple is also looks like it wants to break out this bear flag. SPY is looking pretty weak. Yeah, I think at least 2 weeks out on IWM can be a very good setup. At least the risk to reward is extremely good there. So you have a stop loss of this high here. or you can say 193, and then PT, first one is 190, next one is 188. Nvidia is wild, always. That's why I only trade Nvidia if I see a plus setup. If not, I'm not trading Nvidia. I'm waiting for Nvidia to retest previous all-time high. In BA, I know a lot of people were trading BA. I think BA is an extremely good setup to the upside if can keep holding 223. Yeah, above 223. I think above 223 can be a very good setup to the upside because it went all the way down because of news, not because of technical analysis. Like not because of technicals, but because of news, bad news. And it's been kind of consolidating around here. It's holding very, very good. Um, and they have a big gap above. So again, if the daily closes like this, I will not enter BA today, but unless the daily candle change to, let's see, to a hammer, green hammer, something like that, something like this one, or this one, or this one, something like that. Even if it's red, but if it has like a long tail down, that's bullish at a very, very strong, well, at a strong support. I wouldn't say very, very strong support, but it's a strong support and it's holding. So yeah, I like BA to the upside, but BA is on my list of never ever trade again because all they always have weird news coming out of nowhere. And every time I trade BA, it's like I have a news and my setup is all messed up. So, but yeah, this the risk to reward too good here. I will say entry around here, stop loss, you can leave it until 122. And PT, the main one, looking if you're looking to swing, I will say is this entire gap fill. So 8.56 risk to reward, that's extremely good. But I'll be patient here. I will wait until how, like either before the market close today, if I see it bullish, this daily candle looking bullish, or um tomorrow, most likely Monday. SPY not looking too hot. Not looking good. If it loses 473.50, the next main support is around 471.50 or 471. Um, maybe, I don't know. I think it depends how I see the market closing and if I see that possible very good setups. If not, I'm not gonna waste my time in front of the computer like all morning trying to look for good setups. Nine. Okay, I got the 190 on IWN put for next week. Mm, My stop loss is gonna be 193. Okay, so I'm pretty much done for the day. I'm holding Netflix calls. I don't love it, but I think as long as Netflix can hold 185, I'm gonna hold the weeklies. The next week, I'm sorry, 485. The next week, I will say 483. That's my stop loss on Netflix. IW inputs, I'm gonna hold it unless it breaks 193. If goes to 190, I'm taking profits there. I'm taking, yeah, most likely I'll take profits there. I'm still holding runners on like it's very small position on Microsoft and Meta. Microsoft is still holding so far. It's still holding yesterday high, like yesterday's close. I want to see it holding that. If not, I'm gonna sell the rest of my position. Meta, I'm still holding some runners here. But it's very small also. I took most of my profits. You want to see it holding 364, 365? Apple, I'm holding Apple. And you want to pretty much see it holding today's low. 184, today's low, around there. I'm not doing, like, I'm not taking any more trades. I'm done for the day. I'm very happy. I'm very happy with my first trade. Honestly, I should have waited for tomorrow, Monday, to take either Netflix, yeah, to take Netflix. I think the Netflix trade, it's a little bit too early, even though it's on a very good like level to enter. I should have waited for confirmation that the SPY and the Q wanted to like hold here. Even though this SPY candle is kind of like telling me that it wanted to hold, but right now it's not looking bullish, looking bearish. But yeah, that's it. I think I'm gonna be here tomorrow. Yeah, I'm gonna be here tomorrow because I need to see what's gonna happen with Netflix, Apple, and IWM. Oh, market is closed Monday. Shoot, I don't like that because when you have a holiday, market is slow or choppy the days closer to the holiday, so this oh tomorrow is not a it's not gonna be a good day to trade. But still, if Netflix doesn't stop me out, I'm gonna be here watching Netflix. So uh but I think that's gonna be a boring stream because I'm not gonna be trading, like just watching Netflix, just watching the chart. And that's it. If doesn't stop me out. If it stops me out and I see SPY losing this level where it is and also the Q losing 406, it's done. So yeah, I don't know, I guess you guys see if I'm gonna be here today tomorrow or not. You'll see on the notifications on my here on the stream section on my Discord. You have the link below for the Discord. Okay, so yeah, thank you guys for the likes and for the support and for every like being here every single day. Thank you.